Hello, this is a tutorial on how to create an order for an automatic service. The first step is to go to New Order. You can search for services by category or search by name in the search bar. After choosing the service, pay attention to the descriptions, such as the minimum and maximum quantity. Enter your profile username, then fill in how many future posts you want to schedule for the service. Next, you specify the minimum and maximum number of likes. There is an option to add a delay, which is the time it will wait to start the service after the post. You can also set a deadline for the automation to remain valid. After clicking Submit, it will create a new tab on the left called Subscriptions. There, you can track the automated services and also cancel them whenever you want. Wait until the status changes from awaiting to active and it's already scheduled. When you make a post on your Instagram, it creates a new automatic order and delivers it. You can check the order created by the automation in the Orders tab. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support, we will help you.